I picked up one of these after seeing a video that Lisa Martin did, and it was like a light bulb went off in my head. I said, I have to have me one of those. And these you can't find except on Amazon in Canada, and the only other place was Bed Bath & Beyond, where it was on clearance. And they had them at a store that was about a half an hour away from me. And I really don't like driving to that part of town because the gridlock is always bad and it can take me hours. And I'm talking hours, like 3 hours or something like that to get back. So when I saw that they had delivery options, I was like, that's the way to go. Now, I bought this with another item that they packaged separately, so that one's supposed to be coming tomorrow. That's what the inside of the box looks like. So it is a box within a box, so the box is cute and would make it a nice gift box. And inside you get like a CD kind of envelope, and it comes with these two, a product registration card and the instruction manual on this. So inside the box, the machine is encased and there's a little cubby for the wire. And it's all wrapped in plastic, and it's a lot heavier than I imagined it would be. And the cord, it's got a little thingamabob on there to protect the end. So here it is. In Canada, you can't get any other color, which is fine. Okay, I couldn't figure out how to open it, so you press on this and it opens it. The inside's all protected. And it is coated for non-stick use. This is the bottom of it. It's got the little rubbery pads on there so it won't scratch your countertop or anything. And yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I thought the other one that I ordered was coming today, and I had the stuff for that. But I will try this out in another video. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.